Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, power steering, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.